Congratulations.
Wrong name.
And the one who did that twerky, Vanessa! For being so gay.
Twerking.
This next one is 1,500 pesos worth of gift certificates to Dos Mestizos. And the winner is Maria Erica Nanez. Maria Erica Nanez. Maria, where is Maria? Maria. Mestizos gift certificate. And that one goes to Elliot.
Elliot, where you at? You won. Elliot, where you at? You won. Dos Mestizos.
Where is Elliot? I know Elliot was here.
You better show up. I'm gonna give it away.
All right, we do have more prizes.
And we're giving away some bikinis.
We got some bikinis.
It's perfectly here.
Some nice bikinis. Let's find out who's
Some
gonna win.
tropical bikinis.
If you win, you gotta flaunt it. You gotta show it. Month of 7 stones, you got yourself a nice set of bikinis.
He was just asking what the prizes were. Oh, he got a prize for sure. Oh, flaunt that
Month of
bikini.
7 stones, you've been so lucky tonight. We gotta push your button.
Congratulations.
Oh, muy caliente. Boracay heat is on for sure.
We have another set of
My
bikinis. Let's
goodness.
see if these ones will actually be worn by...
A woman.
We got Al Robinson.
Ow!
Al, you got
Al.
yourself some bikinis.
Al, you gotta work it.
All right,
Al Robinson, God. Yeah, show this to your father-in-law. All right.
All right, we got another set of bikinis for Tiffany Oy. Oh.
Tiffany just left.
We gotta pick another winner then. All
Oh
right.
my goodness.
A pair of bikinis, some nice fancy bikinis for Marky Cavonza. Marky Cavonza, are you
Marky
here?
Cavonza.
If you're not here, we're gonna pick somebody else. Are you
What's the number?
here?
What's the number?
The number is 159. Is that you? Okay, all right. Congratulations to Marky. And the next prize
Give it to the next girl
is...
he sees. Yes.
We've got another set of bikini for MIT Haveliana. Miss Haveliana. I
Where
met
you
you
at?
earlier.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, to claim the price, you gotta wear it and showcase it.
You gotta flaunt it.
Don't forget, we're about to announce the total donations that you guys have contributed that will go towards the typhoon victims. The next set of bikinis, and I believe this is from Trudy. Trudy earlier had a booth right over there, and so she had some pre-loved items and also some brand new items. So these are the brand new items that she had that she's donated. So thank you so much to Trudy. Winner is Monica! Monica! You win a pair of bikinis.
Yeah.
Monica, where are you, Monica?
Who is Monica?
Another set of bikinis. And the winner is Debs. Harvard! Debs, claim your bikini.
Where you at? Claim your dibs, Debs.
All right, right, we do have more raffle prizes. I know you guys want to dance. All right, this next one is, oops, that is a Sand and Sky apparel. It goes to Adrian Bellick.
Adrian!
You won again.
Goodness!
The real love Santa Claus, as Brody puts it. Ho, 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 ho.
Ho, 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 ho! Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.
All right, we've got more raffle prizes. Let's get to it so we can get more music. We have got just one.
Just one!
Winning. What is this?
You
Just one.
get a blouse!
A mystery prize. I don't know.
Mystery prize for
It's a
just one.
mystery prize for just one.
Where's just one?
If it's not for you, you can give it to a lady.
What number?
Just one number is 177. 177 for just one. Just one. It's a large size. Are you a large? Okay. Let's pick another one. And this one is that a t-shirt? It's a t-shirt. It's a t-shirt.
We got a t-shirt.
This one goes to Mars. Yes, Bach.
Mars!
He's not here. Wala na. We have to pick another one.
Wala na raw.
Okay, wala na.
Someone's keeping track.
Isabel! Are you here, Isabel?
Isabel, are you still here? Isabel, the red-nosed reindeer.
Wala na.
Isabel, the red-nosed.
Nada.
Why are you still here? You said you were leaving. Get out of here.
All right, we gotta do this quickly. All right, are we picking another one? Ron! What is this? Ron, huh? Gabrinette? Rona? Gabrinette?
Rona?
Stop number 139. Rona Gabinette? Are you here?
No? Okay.
Alright, we're picking another one. Let's do this real quick. Florencio.
Florencio.
I don't understand.
I can't read this. Florencio. Francia? Francois?
Okay, not here. Okay, this is the last one. If not, we're gonna proceed to the next. Isabel! Are you here, Isabel? Alright, how about we're gonna give the bikini set, a couple of t-shirts. Actually,
All right, this is the grand prize. All of this for the next ticket.
a few t-shirts, and this surprise mystery prize.
All in. Who's in? Who's in? Let me hear you guys. You're in? You're in? You guys, you in? All right, let's pick the ticket.
All right, the winner is Isabella. Isabella, are you here?
One more time.
Karen Gesser, are you here? Karen Gesser. You
Karen
win a
Gesser, where
whole
you at?
lot of stuff.
She went home.
Uh-oh, all right.